Greetings, and thank you for watching today's video. Artificial intelligence, AI, computers that use human intelligence to make judgments are a hot topic in the IT industry right now, and we're going to talk about it. This video aims to highlight the consequences of this technology and investigate recent developments in this area. There has been a lot of progress in the field of AI, or artificial intelligence, in recent years. Artificial intelligence, AI, has permeated every aspect of modern life, from personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars. On the other hand, have you ever considered how these algorithms actually decide anything? How does a machine make decisions and think like a human being? That's the topic we'll be discussing right now. One of the most interesting advances in AI is the field's growing capacity to simulate human decision-making. Machine learning and deep learning are two examples of AI systems that aim to mimic human cognition by analyzing data and making judgments. Financial markets employ AI to make investment decisions based on analysis of data and market trends. Artificial intelligence has the potential to significantly benefit investors by processing massive volumes of financial data and predicting stock prices. Artificial intelligence is now being employed to aid in the diagnosis and treatment of patients in the medical field. Algorithms developed by AI can examine patient records and make therapy suggestions in light of established norms and historical examples. That's not all, though. Bail and sentencing recommendations are just two examples of how AI algorithms are used in the criminal justice system. Artificial intelligence, AI, can help courts and prosecutors make better decisions by evaluating data and learning from past cases. Artificial intelligence, AI, is being used more and more in the retail business to provide individualized product recommendations to clients, based on their past purchases and personal tastes. For businesses, this means better customer service and more efficient marketing and sales operations. Why AI matters for choice-making. There are hopes that AI could transform how we make choices, but there are also fears about how it will affect society. Making sure AI algorithms are fair and ethical is a difficult problem to solve. The decisions made by AI will be skewed if the data utilized to train the algorithms is itself biased. In the criminal justice and financial sectors in particular, this can lead to unfair and unjust results. The question of who is responsible is another source of worry. Who is accountable for AI's judgment calls? Whose responsibility is it to fix an AI's error if one is made? These are crucial issues that must be resolved as AI grows more pervasive in our daily lives. In conclusion, AI could revolutionize many sectors' approaches to decision-making, but it's crucial to think through the repercussions and ensure that AI algorithms are fair, objective, and answerable. It is crucial that we have these discussions and fight to ensure that AI is used for the benefit of society as AI continues to progress and become a more vital part of our daily lives. All of you that watched, I appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more great content. Until we meet again, be safe.